Welcome, everybody. I am here in Buhl in Switzerland. So I wanted to send my greetings to everybody. And so tonight we are going to start with a short practice. So, so those you know how to do the 9 breathing or purification, so do that. And those you do not know how to do the 9 breathing or purification, so you just continuously breathe deep and just feel connected with the Sangha members all around the world. Just feel this sense of openness in the 3 channels in the center of your body. There's more a sense of openness, and there's an awareness of that openness as like a beam of light. Connect with that. Rest in that connection. Bring your attention closer to your heart, open place. Feel the sense of devotion to the all enlightened beings, the lineage, the master. Let me sing Guru Yoga one time. Ask, please help me, help us to overcome all our obstacles, to realize one's true nature as a Buddha, to discover all one's potentiality, to enrich one's own life and benefit others. Just feel this prayer to help me, bless me, to recognize my own true nature as a Buddha. Now, for a moment, bring your full attention to the stillness of your body. Be fully aware of the stillness from the sole of the feet to the crown. Feel that stillness. Connect with that stillness. Rest in that connection. And also be aware that you are not alone. The Cyber Sangha, all around the world, we are participating in this stillness. Breathe deep, not hold your breath. Gradually be aware of inner stillness, a stillness of your being, a stillness which is not dependent on absence of movement. Now be aware of the silence of your speech, or feel the silence, hear the silence, connect with that silence, rest deep in that silence. There is a sense of deep peace in that connection. And gradually be aware of inner silence, a deeper silence, silence of your being, silence which is not dependent on sound or the absence of sound. Now, gradually be aware of the spaciousness of the mind or the openness of the mind, like a crystal clear sky, or like a being, like a sky. Gradually be aware and rest in that inner spaciousness, the spaciousness of being. As we rest in that inner stillness, inner silence, inner spaciousness continuously, and gradually, for a moment, reflect in your life, deep inside, that you do care, service, serving, helping, caring. It's something, it's innate to everybody. Caring for others is something in all of us, it's there. Some people have recognized it earlier, not lost it, cultivated, and living very much full with serving others, and others who have it but lost it, or who have it but struggling with the process of serving others. Whatever situation that you are in, this is the moment. It's a gift to ourselves to reflect deep in our life with honestly with braveness. How am I doing in serving others? How am I doing in this deep, beautiful quality of compassion which is all within all of us? How much that is alive, active, and know that we are all supporting each other this moment. Reflect that all around the world, all the Cyber Sangha members. First, look at what are the things that you do to serve others. Others could mean your own family, your parents, relatives, friends, neighbors, community, strangers, needy people. What are the things that you do? What are the things that you feel it's important to do this moment in your life, and you have been doing it? Particularly those, the one which you put a lot of time, energy, effort. Look at closer. It got to be important because you spent a lot of time, energy, effort. So all the things that you do in the name of service are their spiritual practice, are their spiritual practice for you. Are these activities in your life help you spiritually grow? Are these activity enrich your life? Are these activity make a meaningful of your life? Are these activity is it fulfilling your life? Are you able to help others through this activity? So just for a moment, stay close with these questions. Either it's yes, maybe, or not. or that you are losing energy. You are losing inspiration. You feel conflict. You feel pain, and sometimes you feel you are creating pain to others too, or you are trapped in the pain relationships. You feel blocked, or whatever you're trying to do is not moving, it's feeling blocked. As a work of communities, a group, in your profession, in your family, in the spiritual community, a community where you volunteer, you feel blocked. Or you feel something, if there is no that one person, then everything will be fine. You feel one person is really problem. And you feel you're so much focused on that person. Basically, this action of serving others triggers all your personal deep wounded pains. They are coming out. You are personalizing them. You think this thing has something to do with a specific person in a specific situation. You think sometimes that has nothing to do with you. You're completely okay. It's about that person. It's about that situation. Otherwise, everything is okay. Are you seeing that way? If you are seeing that way, if you have been seeing that way, if you have been seeing that way for a long time, you are not serving well. Your service is not becoming part of the spiritual practice because there is no a recognition, there is no awareness, there is no caring for others. There is more being caught up with one's own pain. If that is though, if there are cases like that, then this is the great moment to recognize within yourself. So those of you who are more facing challenges in serving others, maybe you are too stuck in your pain, in your ego. It's about you. When it's about you, your pain, your ego, then it's harder to serve others. You see, even the word we are saying serving others, but one is more focused on one's own pain, ego. We pray, help me, all the enlightened beings, to able to distinguish these inner wounds, conflicts, personal pains, or even within family pains, but which is manifesting out in a larger ascent of serving others, interfering it. May I recognize them. May I able to distinguish them. May I able to see it clearly. May I able to work the stuff which is mine, my pain, within me, not mix with others or blame others for that. Can I do that? Can I deal with these situations within myself, clear it within myself? When it's clear enough, then I will serve others, or I will help my parents, my family, my friends. What I'm trying to say here, can you see you get mixed up with things? Especially something which is in you, which is a bigger story. You are personalizing that into one story. In a current story, it's about somebody, but that inner wound or pain, it has a longer history before you enter into serving or enter into helping one person or group. That story was before there. It just is manifesting out there in this situation. Are you able to see it clearly, distinctively? Are you able to acknowledge that? Are you able to willing to work within yourself? This is my stuff. I need to work. Then I can help better. Can you see that? When you see that and when you do that, that is the one of the most deepest personal and spiritual development, what the spiritual development is. The inner personal and spiritual development inspire arises when you are serving others. They are like in some sense they're integrated with each other. Or can you see when you are in the service, can you see I am here to help? I am here, I'm born here to help. I am here in this community to help. I am here in on this world to help. It's not about me. It's about others. It's about serving others. Whatever I can be used, I am useful. It's because it's for others, and I will do it like that. What they need, not what I think they need. Like even to children's, what children needs, not what we think children needs. What community needs, not what you think community needs. What your close one, loved one, your parent, what they needs, not what you think they needs. It's about them. It's not about me. It's about you. It's about others. We pray, help me, give me power and strength to able to see that it's about others, it's about not about me. When it's about me, I will work with that internally. When I'm clear, when I wanted to serve, it's about others. When I interfere in serving others, I am willing to work. That is a spiritual work in the process of serving others. They go together, beautifully go together. So, whatever the situation that you are reflecting in your life, in your specific personal situation, just trying to recognize, see things as clear as possible. Okay, so you can open your eye.